Hi, welcome at Petal and Stem. Today I just wanted to actually go quickly into something I meant to do now for a while, but I went camping and I completely lost track of my own skin. So what I like to do if I'm in a rush is actually pick up a herbal base skin care cream. What that means is there's nothing really in there in terms of aromas. So it's a base you can use. It's an herbal cream. This one is from Florihana. It's 50 milliliters, so almost 1 ounce. And what I love about this cream is actually that it is almost 100% natural ingredients and 89% also bio ingredients. So what I do is I use this one. It's already in a nice beautiful glass. And then I'm actually adding my favorite skin oils, which is frankincense, sandalwood, and rose absolute. And I'm going to add a few drops of each, around 6 to 8 drops just to the base of my skincare cream. Mix it up and then I use it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to just mix it all up. Okay, so I unscrew the top and then first I'm going to add my frankincense. And this one is really nice for reducing lines and for acne prone skin. Adding 4 drops of frankincense. Sandalwood, so beautiful. It doesn't only smell really good, but it's also amazing for your skin. I'm gonna add just 2 drops of this one. And this one comes out a little bit slower. All right, should be coming now. 1, 2. And the last one is rose. And rose is just for me an absolute favorite. And I use it mostly for my face only. It's very rare, we're very expensive, so I'm really only using 1 to 2 drops for this one. It's a good rose. There you go. Can you just go quickly in and see this beautiful color? This one is gorgeous. Here, smell it. Smell it, smell it, smell it, smell it. Woo! All right, and then I take just a wooden stick and stir it all up. And stir it up good until you basically don't see any traces of your rose anymore, which is easy to see obviously because you have the color. But it's just getting this amazing smell already. Oh, I love it. So at the end, once you stirred everything up, scrape off the rest because you don't want to lose anything, but then also cover it up if you can immediately to avoid any germs to come in. Also close your oils again to avoid oxidation, and then use the rest obviously to make your skin look beautiful. I love it. Oh, it feels so fresh, and the roses and everything's so good. Well, thanks for watching, and let me know. Everything is available on my online store at petalandstem.com. Send me messages, let me know if you need anything. See you soon.